Kardom, welcome once again to Northeast Karbi Live, the mirror of society. This is Sir Mahin Terangpi reporting. So today, 21st of November 2023, it is a very big day for Ser Dihun Girls Hostel, Waisong Boys Hostel and Rasingja Girls Hostels, as they have together combined hosting a combined hostel freshers social meet 2023 out here in Rangsina Auditorium Hall, Diphu Government College. So talking about Diphu Government College is one of the renowned college under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So here today in this program they have hosted several events, so later on I'll show you all about those events, and also they have invited several guests, special dignitaries, guests of honor, and also invited artists for the upcoming cultural night program, and it will be done in the loving memory of late Daniel Ingti, who is a renowned singer of Karbi Anglong and have recently passed out. So, and later I will also show you the interaction with Mr. Johnny Timung, who is the MAC of 18 Lumbajong LAC under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. So let me show you all about today's event of the Combined Hostel Freshers Social Meet 2023 here in Rangsina Auditorium Hall, DJC. So now I'm near the Rangsina Auditorium Hall, Diphu Government College. So there are several events going on inside this hall. So now I'm going to show you about the events. So now as you can see, several guests has arrived already, and also program is also going on. We have many guests, and also the students are actively participating. As you can see, there are numbers of students present today, and also our guests are also present out here. And let's see behind me, the cake cutting ceremony is going on. Several guests and invited guests are present. The former principal of the Diphu Government College has already blown out the candle and have cut in the cake. And as you can see, the students are also here in the cake cutting ceremony. So now I'm going to have interaction with some invited guests and also the guests of honor of today's event. So come along with me. So now I have with me Mr. Mirjeng Kro. He is the president of Karbi Students Association. So I'm going to have a little talk with him now. So sir, how do you feel joining this combined hostel freshers social meet?
It has been always a great pleasure for me to attend hostel freshers, as I was also the ex-student of this college, and then like it has been always like coming home again.
And what is your message? What is one message you want to give to the students, the freshers out here?
Look, what we are facing right now is like our young present generation is much inclined towards some other activities which might hamper their educational life, and so like I would like to request them to concentrate in their studies for the next 5 to 6 years, so that they can build their career and then like they can live happily. That's what I can say.
Yes, that is a very important message to the students who are studying right now. So thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. And also I have with me Ma'am Tadot Terangpi. She is the former principal of Diphu Government College. So I'm going to have a little talk with her also. So ma'am, how do you feel coming to this combined hostel freshers social meet?
I'm very happy to be here today. I've just retired about 5 months back, so being here with the students and my colleagues once again, my former colleagues, I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you.
Okay, so lovely, ma'am. So as you're the former principal of this college, what are the changes that you have seen in your time and now?
It hasn't been many years. I mean, time just around 5 months have passed. So, like the college is now well under the principalship of Dr. Jibon Nyok. So I think everything is okay. going on fine. So I'm very happy to see that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your lovely time. Now we have another special person with us. So, ma'am, how do you feel coming to this program, attending this event?
Actually, I'm part of the hostel. I'm the superintendent of Gasadiun Girls Hostel, and I've been serving here since 2003. So for 20 years, I have been a superintendent here, and I've been guiding them, and it's like a home. And all are my children. Okay.
So as you are the superintendent, so ma'am, how was the preparation that you have done along with the students for such a big event that you are hosting today?
Actually, like I have tried my level best to guide them how to hold this, because they are very young, and I think without guidance they may not be able to, like there might be some lapses, so but it is all due to their effort that it's a successful one.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your time. And as you can see behind me, the introduction of the freshers is going on. Several students have participated. They are participating so actively, as you can see. And also behind the other students, the freshers, the audience, the students itself, they are also huge in number. They are very much happy to attend this program. Now I'm going to have an interaction with a very special person out here in this event. Hello, sir. A very warm welcome from our Northeast Karbi Live News channel. So, sir, as you are the superintendent of Waisong Boys Hostel, sir, can you tell us how was the preparation that you have gone through and you have done for this fresher social meet?
Yes, after the newcomers come to the hostel, they always prepare for a long time to introduce themselves and for the cultural programs to participate in the fresher social meet. And being a super of the hostel, I am anytime with touch with them. I can say 365/7. Yes. So any situation arises in the hostel, day or a night, I am anytime ready to help to them. And like this, our hostel life is going on, and boarders are very nice, very obedient. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Lovely, sir. Thank you so much. And also one more question, sir. As the freshers are here, so what message or what advice do you want to give to them, the new freshers?
As a freshers, my advice will be to them, the time is very tough nowadays. Everywhere the society, it is very competitive. So I advise them to do hard work in any field. So first of their duty is to study. So study hard, stay healthy, and progress like this. That is my advice.
That is a very important advice, sir, for all the students who are studying and who want to build a high academic career in their future. So thank you so much, sir, for your time. So viewers, now I'm going to have a little interaction with the monitress and monitor of Waisong Boys Hostel and Serdihun Girls Hostel. So first of all, I will have a little introduction and also interaction with Miss Robon Timungpi. She is a monitress of the Serdihun Girls Hostel. So Miss Robon Timungpi, a very warm kardom from our Northeast Live news channel. Kardom. And so I would like to know, how was your preparation for the Fresher Social Meet, combined Fresher Social Meet out here in Rangsina Auditorium Hall, as you are the monitor of the Serdihun Girls Hostel. So as a whole, from Serdihun Girls Hostel, how was your preparation?
My preparation was like V3 hostel. We work hard and then that means together.
So unity, strength, together they have worked hard and make this event come possible. And also, can you tell me, as you are the monitor of the Serdihun Girls Hostel, so monitress of that Serdihun Girls Hostel, so how many students are there in the hostel you are in?
55.
Okay, so that's a huge number. Thank you so much for interacting with us. And also we have the monitor of Waisong Boys Hostel. So I'm going to have a little introduction from him. Can you please tell me your name and where are you from?
Okay, thank you for giving and coming to this freshers. My name is Chesong Inti, the monitor of Waisong Boys Hostel, Diphu Government College. Okay.
And also, can you tell me how was your preparation from Waisong Boys Hostel? Like there are two other hostels, but from your hostel, how was the preparation?
From our hostel, before 15 of this November, it was a puja vacation, and after we give them a notice to come 16th of November exactly, to prepare themselves dancing competition and some collection and all that. So we give them a practice to like introduction, ramp walk, then different performance item, and this is how we prepare.
Okay, that's a very good thing that you have prepared it so well for this event today. And also we have another students with us. I'll ask from them that are you participating in any event today?
Yes.
So what are the events that you are going to participate in?
Couple dance. Couple dance.
Okay, so she is participating in a couple dance. Best wishes for your performance. And also, are you participating in any event for today?
Yes.
Can you tell us what is the event that you are participating in?
Karbi dance.
Okay, lovely. So viewers, this was the interaction with the students, also monitor and monitress of Serdihun Girls Hostel and Waisong Boys Hostel. Now I have with me the students of Diphu Government College who are dressed fully entirely in the Karbi traditional dress. They are looking absolutely beautiful and handsome, and as you can see, they have wore several Karbi necklace, and also they have several Karbi instruments with them. So I'm going to have a little interaction with them. So hello, a very warm kardom from our Northeast Karbi Live News channel. So what are you going to perform in today's event?
Pini paklang pun lagi nilitum chongchingnang kekan sepaklang po Karbi kanbarim lo non ke nilitum ladak porang lel ten nilitum kanpon po.
Okay, so they are going to perform in a very short while, and as he is holding a flute, I'm going to request him to kindly play a little music for us with your flute.
Nearly found up on our sign up upon pot. Thank you for requesting Pongsi Upontapu, nearly found Nangapupon pot. And then nearly take the destiny as of the best nearly party one po. Thank you, Cardon.
Lovely, that was absolutely melodious. So can you tell me how long have you been training in this instrument?
Apparently, any Kirby life atum ladak na home report. Lalo nearly Charlie dun lapo class lagi dun lapo ekali. Pagpit same nearly metang ke jabor I lapusan se Charlie pon bom bang bom lo. Pini lapusan anang le lo. Lapente Ladak just met pet Chithana Maito, Ladak KTM Sir Imate Kirby Traditional Music and Research Institute along. Charlie Dun Mase Asapsu Lapanta get take Lapusanella.
Okay, thank you so much for giving your time. Okay, so viewers, we have another Kirby instrument that is called Cheng in Kirby language. So I'm going to request him to play a little for us. Before that, I would like to have a little introduction from him.
Thank you. My name is Somnath Dongpi, and I'm currently studying in Diphu Government College, FYUG first semester arts.
Thank you so much. So now I would like to request you to kindly play this Kirby Cheng for us. Thank you so much. That was absolutely very melodious voice of the drum that you have played, and also we have other participants that are going to participate very soon. So can you tell me your name and where you are from?
Yes. My name is Sarden Ronghang, and currently I study in Diphu Government College, and I'm from Dengong.
So Sarlin, can you sing a folk song for us, like Kirby folk song? Kirby lun barima lunang li thek jima thek pute nang parjuik tha.
Nili bor ikipo, lapan non nili kilunje alun mangelake, jase met pet mai musra ke hirpo, asi nili thek det pu voi pis tami bor ipon po. De pani musra le pesening ke tema li karbi aso tang te li karba ka so tang te li karbi ke plang dang te li sumsi ke plang dang te punang plang masi tema punang pi masi tema ke plang jing thum nang kok tema ki pi jing thum nang kok tema la le musra le pesening ke. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone for giving your wonderful time with us. And also now we are going to have a special interaction with the freshers of this college. So hello, how are you?
Hi, my name is Rajesh Rangbar.
Okay, so how do you feel attending this freshers program?
I'm extremely happy to be a part of this college.
College freshers?
Yeah.
Okay, so have you prepared anything to perform in today's event?
Yeah, we have got dance.
Okay. So what kind of dance you are going to show to the audience today?
It's a type of funny dance that we're gonna perform.
So I'm also going to witness that funny dance, and also we have some ladies out here. So hello, what is your name?
My name is Tracy Romparpi.
Okay, so where are you from, and how are you going to participate in today's event?
Excuse me, once again.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dongkamokam.
Okay, so and can you tell me, are you participating in any of the event in today's program?
Yes, we have prepared a Hindi song for today's event.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tracy, for giving your time with us. We have another lady with us. Can you tell me your name, please?
Hello, I am Bandana Katharpi.
Okay, so Bandana, can you tell me, are you taking part in some of the event today, in today's program?
Yes, I will be performing group dance with my friends and also a duo with one of my friends, Tracy, here.
Okay, lovely. And also, are you participating in any of the event today?
Yes.
Yes. So, as you're the fresher, how is the college environment to you?
So, college environment.
Yes, college. How do you feel coming to this college as you're the fresher? Like, is the college good? Is the college bad? Tell me according to your experience.
Okay, it's very good to me, this college, and I'm very excited to come here. That's my.
Thank you so much. And also, we have some more freshers with here. Can you tell me your name, please?
My name is Arun Timung.
So, in which standard you are in here?
4 years undergraduate, first semester.
First semester. So, can you tell me what is your aim in life?
I want to become a successful botanist.
Botanist. Thank you so much. That's a wonderful aim in life. And also, we have another fresher with us. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Arakro, and I came from Kolonga.
Okay. So, how is the college environment to you?
It is good for us, and our senior sister and brothers are always advise us whatever we are doing wrong, so they guide us.
Thank you so much, everyone, for giving and sparing your lovely time. Thank you so much. So that was the interaction with the newly admitted students, the freshers of Diphu Government College. So dear viewers, this was the day event of the Combined Hostels Freshers Social Meet 2023 out here in Rangsina Auditorium Hall. And also, dear viewers, there will be a cultural night program in the loving memory of late Daniel Ingti, who is a renowned singer of Karbi Anglong, who have recently passed away. So dear viewers, this was all about the Combined Hostels Freshers Social Meet of the Serdihun Girls Hostel, Waisong Boys Hostel, and Rasingja Girls Hostel here in Rangsina Auditorium Hall, Diphu Government College. So viewers, thank you so much for watching Northeast Karbi Live. Kardom.